You alright, Scott? Yeah. Whatever's out here, I'll just fill that in with peanut butter. Yeah. Okay, this is some 36 grit, I think. That's some 36 grit from a belt sander sandpaper. I got towels all in the car, boy. Oh, yeah. Back up a little bit. Come on, Sandman. Yeah, you see how sandy you are when we start sanding the bottom of the boat. Wait, we have to sand the whole bottom of the boat? Yep. Glob. So what has to come up like over here? Right now we're trying to get all this, see where I peanut buttered all this extra. We're trying to get, it's almost there. Yeah, you're supposed to be white, right? We're just trying to get all the peanut butter off. So just keep on going. We're going to switch to a lighter. Oh yeah, just jump in and stop. Just keep on going. Basically, we're just trying to get it flat. Okay. Nice and flat. Okay, let me take over. That's it? A little more. There. Almost. Oh, shit. Scratch it. Yeah. We don't want to take off too much gel coat. I'm going to go get a lighter sander just to test some of them. Why are we doing it with the 50 grit now? Because when we were doing it with the 36 grit, we got some deep scratches. Oh, so we're just taking this and smoothing out the scratches. It really don't matter. We're really just concerned with just trying to. This is all we're working right now. We're gonna come back and do this later when we paint. When we start prepping for paint, we're gonna do all that. Right now, we're just trying to get this hole. We're trying to get this hole nice and smooth, so that we can clean it with acetone and put our. So you have to sand inside too? I'm thinking I might not. Why? Because we got a nice snug fit right now. Oh, so you don't want it? That's what she said. I had to get one of them in. One of them jokes in, man. Just one for the entire restore. That's you're allowed one she said joke. All right, I have like 30, right? Yeah, I know you have 50 a day. I just say it. All right. That was pretty funny though, Dad. You caught me off guard with that one. Yeah, Dad got a couple of them saved away. All right. So see, we're only trying to work just this area. It's smooth enough. It really don't have to be that great. It's just that the better we get it now, because we're gonna have to take this off when we paint, and so it's gonna be hard to get in there and sand that close to that 4200. So just sand until it's smooth. Yeah, that's why we're trying to just sand. We're just trying to sand around the garbage drain until it's smooth. And that might be. That's it? No, still. Looks smooth. Okay, we can do it without the singing, thing. I like that song. Yeah, okay. Alright, let's see, a little bit more. Oh, we was using this on the gas tank. I mean, on the school bus. The school bus? Yeah, that's what everybody calls the gas tank, the school bus. Why do they call it the school bus? Because of the color. I need to look up boat terminology. Yeah. Almost there. That's what she said. Oh, there goes another one. No, that's getting edited out. That was good. Edited out. That one was good, Dad. Don't edit that out. That's 2 in a row. I'm on a roll. No more. I got 5. No more. You got none. Oh, man. It's still in there? That looks good. Yeah. Yeah, that's good enough. Do that. Did you cut one? What? Did you cut one? What do you mean? Oh, God, nasty ass. I don't know what you're talking about. I was down here sanding, too. I don't know what you're talking about. That's cold-blooded. All right. Let me see. Pause. I want to tab the transom in today. So, I'm going to tab the transom and tab these two side pieces in. But in order to do that, I gotta sand everything. And I might as well sand that while I'm preparing this down here. Do it all at the same time. That's gonna take a minute. So you have to sand the whole thing, like get all the peanut butter that's not needed off there. Is that what you're talking about? Yeah, like, see, for instance, look up here, get a close look up into this. This is the type of stuff that needs to be sanded. You can't have nothing, it has to be smooth. You can't have no jagged edges. Oh, so all the stuff that's off there. So basically just getting that excess peanut butter off. Yeah. Anything that's sticking up that might get caught, I thought you were talking about this right here. But no, you were talking about this. So. I need a respirator too. It's not working? Huh? It's not working? Yeah. Okay, I got real sloppy in this area. That's why there was so much sanding. So when you do your fillets, you want to do them as nice and as neat as possible because it'll save you from all this extra sanding. And also, I went to Harbor Freight and I picked up some new pads, but I'm not using them. I'm using the same old pad because I'm not trying to be super aggressive. I'm just trying to knock off the little. Sometimes you get little dabs of fiberglass sticking up, and you just want to just knock those down because when you go to tab, it won't lay down right if you got those little particles everywhere. And then if you spilled any fiberglass, like right here, it's kind of prickly where I spilled it and didn't wipe it up where I spilled peanut butter. Well, when you tab, 2 inches, 2 pieces, and they're 2 inches apart. So you might be 3 to 4 inches onto the hole or the transom, and it has to be, in order for it to stick, it has to be, relatively clean. So that's what we're doing now. We're prepping it to tab. Alright, boy, you do some. I'm going out now. Let's see if you can get that corner. It's kind of rough back there. Is that it? Yep, and then I'll be ready to start cleaning. And also, be careful when you run your hands along that edge to check it. If it's something sticking up, you'll cut your finger. I cut my finger yesterday, it still hurt. Okay, that's good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean this all out. I'm gonna clean the inside of the hole, clean the outside of the hole, drill the pilot holes, set that in with the 4200, and then after I get the garbage drain installed, I need to make some peanut butter because I got some areas I forgot about, like right there. I never did peanut butter in that block. I need the peanut butter at the bottom of that, and also I need peanut butter to backfill the PVC pipe when it goes in. And also, I got some rocky spots on the top of my transom, which probably is no big deal, but I'm going to make it a nice smooth layer since I'll be doing it anyway. Oh, thanks, guy. Appreciate the feet cleaning. And we'll be back. So, here we go.
Don't change that channel. We'll be right back. Wait.
Oh, my gosh.
Don't change that channel. We'll be right back.
Oh, my goodness.